Yorana, my name is Leolani, je viens de Los Angeles, and the name of my dance school is Aho Nui. I'm just really excited to be here in Tahiti and competing and sharing my love for Tahitian culture, give back to the people, show them how much I love your island, and it's really exciting. So many girls, so many tane from the US, Mexico, even Japan, just dancing, and it's exciting. Everyone's beautiful, beautiful costumes, beautiful bodies. When I hear the drums, it goes deep into my soul, and there's something about the Tahitian people that when they greet you, when they welcome you, it changes you. They're so giving, so gracious, so loving, and open to sharing their culture. And Tahitian dance especially is open for innovation, a lot of creativity, and a lot of self-expression. It's almost become kind of a sport because there's so many people that love to dance, so many people that love to compete, but that's why it's important that we come back to the whenua, we continue to learn and just bring it, you know, back to the, it's a cultural art. It's a cultural art that we have to continue to pass down and remember. He's been the longest running, longest standing Tahitian troupe here in Tahiti. So it's an honor to be here for his Farereira'a, the gathering of all the different international groups. So thank you so much, Coco. Maurururo'a. I hope everyone does their best and shares their love and just enjoys every moment here together. The name of my school is Aho Nui, and we were established in 2016, so it's only been 2 years. None of my dancers have been to Tahiti, so I brought them for the very first time a week ago, and we watched the Heva. We went to the Heva, and we also went to Moorea for 6 days, 6 nights. And we took the Tupuna Cultures cultural immersion program with Adelina Hanere. So my girls, they took Lauhala class, Reo Tahiti, Orero, they took French class, Aparima class. We learned how to compose a song. We compose our own song, write our own Orero. We also did Otea. And we did a couple of excursions. We did an excursion in Moorea to the Marae. But we also did an excursion here in Tahiti. We went to Pape'eno'o and went to the center of Tahiti to learn more and more about the culture, even just the simple things about the plants, the names of the plants, why things are called certain things, why it smells a certain way, or certain feelings. So my students were here more for education and inspiration, and hopefully in the future we will achieve that level to return and compete, or even exhibition, and share our knowledge, share our love. Anthony, I know he is the leader of Otea'api, but I know he now lives here. Is it Rangiroa? And he's working closely with Coco to organize the Farereira'a. Oh, it's fabulous because they make, I mean, anytime people come together to organize an event like this, it's work, work, work. It's sacrifice. And it's a labor of love, because I know they're not making lots of money. I know there's long nights, there's a lot of stress, but they're doing it for the betterment of their culture they want to share, and they want outsiders to come and share as well. So there's that exchange between the Maohi and the foreigner. And if it wasn't for Anthony and Coco, this wouldn't be happening.